can't catch my breath. I run. Pulling deeper, I cannot confess. Drowning in the chaos, I can't catch my breath. I run.
Here we have the Grundfos rotation check tool. Just gonna put that on the pump, and as you can see, the red does not spin. This is only for Grundfos pumps. Well, something's wrong with the pump, and we're gonna have to look further into this. The temperature is good. As you can see, we're almost at 60 Celsius, which is right where we should be. This is the building control. As you can see, that's the pump we're looking at, pump 2, and I have it disconnected. That implies failure, and on failure we want the pump to run. So just confirming that the command is to run. Here we have the new relay base. It's installed. Forgot to show the clip of the old one, but and then here we have our new relay we're installing. It's also tough to see, but you can see there's numbers on this that dictate how it works. So there's a 246 on the right side and a 135 on the left side. And this one is rated for 10 amp 240 volts AC and 10 amps 24 volts DC. To show that a little better, here we can see the numbers. So that's the 3. So the right side, left side are separate. So for this example, 1, 3, and 5 are connected. So essentially the bottom 2 DDC control wires, the 7 and 8, when that gets powered on, the switch number 3 opens. So for this one, we always want it to fail open, so in off position on the DDC, it's running. And here you can see me testing. I got supply voltage coming out, 120 AC. That is going to the pump, and that is coming from the breaker. Or there's a switch between the breaker and that bottom relay. As you can see, just testing that, I got 120 on both legs, which means the pump has power. Lastly, we're just going to go back to the pump, and as you can verify that, yes, the pump is spinning. So we do have flow now. And the last quick check is a big drop in temperature, as it was cold, and we have an inrush of hot water now trying to heat the space. As you can see, it's dropping quite rapidly. Before you get too carried away, it's always good to check the relay. That's one of the common failures, but